but keep in mind, this was our first cruise, so we didn't know anything was amiss because it all seemed normal to us because it was our first cruise.
But there was a big noise, and everybody kind of looked around like this. And then we went on with our business and went and got a meal and got some ice cream cones and checked in with the group for supper that night. We had a group supper.
We checked into the room. The room was ready at 2:00. Your rooms are ready at 2:00. And I had an algae treatment scheduled after the sail away party before dinner. At the sail away party, we were down in the front. It was a great time.